The Elizabeth Courthouse, also known as the Union County Courthouse, according to the narrative. It has a dome, by the way. Almost every picture does not show the dome, but it has a dome up there, part of that tech. It says that it was built in 1905. It was completed. And the same story as Newark City Hall. Not one picture of the groundbreaking or any phase of its construction when the camera was very handy and available in 1905. You'll find this is a recurring theme in all of these structures. There won't be one picture, not one, because you can't take a picture of its construction if you didn't construct it. You see the courthouse. Yeah, but if you look for it on the internet, there's not one picture of it. That's Antiquitech. That was utilized. This is the Hudson County Courthouse. As you see, it has some sort of a structure up there. I would call it Antiquitech. Somehow they were harvesting ions or electromagnetic energy from the atmosphere. This building is absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Can't you see the same hand that I see? The same hand that did the Elizabeth Courthouse, also did this courthouse, also did the Hudson County Courthouse. There's a person that has beautiful, I would think it's copper structure. And we're going to step into the Bergen. Get the inside of the Hudson County Courthouse. It looks palatial. Very intricate. They have paintings, very, what we've been conditioned to believe is Romanesque or Roman Greco. I think they call it Beau. Beau from France is what the narrative says. I want to bring your attention to the pattern that's there. That is called cymatics. Cymatics is something most of us don't learn about, but it's the study of sound and vibration made visible, typically on the surface of a plate. So I want you to observe what they're about to do here. They're going to put salt on a plate. Then they are going to add a vibration in the form of hertz. These vibrations are measured by Hz, which is hertz. And just watch the patterns change, all by changing the vibration. And as they state here, that as they increase the vibration, the patterns change. I've always been amazed by this. I've read Dr. Emoto's book, Messages in Water, that further depicts this, and that everything is vibrating. So many of those structures that we call churches today, when you look at the front of them, you're going to see a cymatic pattern. Because at one time, those were energy temples where people went for healing, and they were using vibrations. After the last reset, sometime around, I believe, 1750 or so, the people that survived the reset just repurposed them and made them churches. But when you look at the front, those patterns have nothing to do with church or Christianity. Well, thank you for joining me on this journey. I just wanted to repeat a few things, or actually review. Cameras were invented in 1820. They were mass-produced in 1850, very important. Basements were not built until 1950, and that's mostly due to the fact that the backhoe was not invented until 1947. And